We have fought so long and hard. We have won this decision from a court which has frankly given a lot of horrible reactionary decisions over the past few years. I'm thinking Citizens United. I'm thinking limitations on voting acts. I'm thinking of Hobby Lobby. And so that we won this by a squeaker, 5-4, is very, very important, and we can't rest on our laurels. And if there's one message that I have to my fellow LGBTers and our allies, is that we cannot rest on our laurels. We have an historic opportunity to push forward, not just for equal marriage rights, but for equal employment rights, equal access to public accommodations, equal access to housing. And mind you, right around this country right now, bigoted legislators are trying to roll back what gains we've won. Nearby in Michigan, they just passed a bill that basically makes it near impossible for same-sex couples to adopt children. We have another horrible bill in terms of trying to prevent the issuing of same-sex marriage licenses that just passed in North Carolina the other day. And these sort of bills are happening all over the place. We won a very important piece of paper today. But as we know from the justice struggles of other movements which have preceded us, we can get just a piece of paper and that's all that remains. Those of you who are old enough remember Brown versus Board of Education, Topeka, Kansas. It remained a dead letter until the civil rights movement began forcing the at least partial enforcement of that ruling. So we cannot be complacent. And also, I think it's very, very important that on this day that the LGBT community is celebrating this huge victory, we have to remember the very serious attacks on civil rights that are happening right around our country right today. I'm talking, of course, about Charleston.
I come to this movement from Marriage Equality USA. I got involved about 10 years ago. I'm a straight ally of the LGBTQ community, and it's always been very important to me to see it that my friends and loved ones who are LGBT could walk down the street holding hands with their partners just as I can walk down the street with a boyfriend. It breaks my heart that we're not there yet, but I think that today is a huge step in that direction. It's a huge symbol to show everyone that we believe LGBT people are equal and the same as heterosexual people. So I'm really excited about today, and I hope that we can all celebrate. But as Andy said, we have a lot further to go because I don't want to stop until we stamp out every bit of bigotry that still exists.